Hi, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and today I'm going to be doing a review of the Grace and Gratitude Kit number 2 by Illustrated Faith and DaySpring. DaySpring did send me this kit for a review. Thank you so much, DaySpring and Illustrated Faith. I appreciate it. And what I thought I would do is just kind of show you the kit real quick, do some work here in my Illustrated Bible, as well as my Grace and Gratitude journal, using my Illustrated Faith watercolors and my Illustrated Faith pigment ink. And then I thought I would come back and give you just my thoughts on the kit. So if you're familiar with the Grace and Gratitude kit from last month, this month is basically part 2. So part 2, really, it doesn't come with these leaves. I just had them from, because I should decorate my desk with them and make them look so pretty. Ooh, look how fancy. Yeah, so the Grace and Gratitude kit this month comes with this really cool felt confetti, which I hope I can figure out what to do with it in my journaling efforts. And it comes with this beautiful washi tape. It's like a plaid. And then it has, I love the stamp set. The stamp set is so cool. It's got just a bear and a deer and all cute kinds of words and letters. I'm loving it. So you know I'm going to be using that. It comes with these die cuts that you can just push out. You have tabs and you have wordfetti, and there are 2 of them in the kit. And if I can find them, oh, here's the other one, which is going to be so fun and totally, I bet, will coordinate with the devotional journal, which I am excited to dive deep into. This is an add-on, this alpha set, so I hope to use some of that. And I think you're going to be able to buy this for just like a little bit more with the kit. And then you get the stickers and the devotionals. So I think I'm going to be working in the devotionals first. And then you get the cards, which I love to carry around with me and give away. But they do also coordinate with the Grace and Gratitude devotional journal. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and get started. I'm going to fast forward through this part of the video, and then I'll come back and share with you my thoughts. I hope you enjoy the music. Okay, let's take a look at the results of our fun Bible journaling time with the Grace and Gratitude Kit 2. This kit is so cute. I absolutely love the stickers. I love the little felt confetti that I used. I loved the verses, of course, that we used. And so I really had a fun time just trying to play with it and see the quality of the product. So obviously the product with Illustrated Faith is always, I mean, what I have found is it has great quality. You can see these stamps. They stamp really well, very clear, especially when I do a good job. This one, obviously, I had it hitting the center, so I didn't get the best impression here, but that was a user error. But the texture stamps were absolutely adorable, and I love these Christmas trees. Now, I don't know what the digital kit is going to look like, but I hope it includes these trees. And you typically will get a digital kit. Now, I can't promise because I haven't seen it, but I'm pretty sure it's coming. You usually get the digital kit, and I hope that the digital kit will include these Christmas trees and these little reindeer, because I could have so much fun, like literally using all of these stickers up. And as I do more Bible journaling with this kit, I know all this is going to be gone. So I hope that the digital kit will include this, and I would just encourage you to check it out when you decide to purchase it, what that digital kit will include. And if I hear anything about it, or if I get a copy of the digital kit before the launch, of course I will put a picture so that you can see it. But I used the stickers as well that were the bonus add-on items, and they are just like regular stickers, so awesome. It would be nice if I could spell the word jealous correctly, so I will have to go in there and fix that. Just a little note for self, I had to add the A there, which I didn't add. Actually, what I'll do, how fun is this, but I'll add the A kind of on the outside here, because I think it's always good to see that we're not perfect. and sometimes I can't spell, but I like to. It's so funny, I'm a writer that can't spell. It's so funny. But I just like to do things a little bit different that are like, oh yeah, not perfect. Good reminder of that. And the washi tape was great too. I thought that was really pretty, and it really coordinated well. I really had fun with the little confetti that came with it too. The Hope devotional, what I did was I basically cut out each of the devotionals, and they come with a word at the bottom. So I just cut out the letters and glued them down. I did a little bit of Bible journaling, some thoughts there. I used the top here as wordfetti along the side, along with the stickers, the washi tape, and then a bunch more stamps. This bird stamp is actually really cute too, as well as these branch stamps. And the bear. I like the kit. I can't complain. The only thing that I didn't like about the kit, let me just try to think what could be improved. Again, I like my washi tape to have faith-based items in there, like crosses and things like that. That really jazzes me. That's about the only downside I could say to the kit. I think the kit is worth the money. It's got really good quality stamps on it, stamps that you could use for cards, you could use for Bible journaling. The washi tape is cute, and I mean all the elements that you're going to use in this kit, there's so many. So I just, and then this is, to me, this is kind of like a bonus. I can carry it around with me and give out these cards throughout the season. So all in all, I thought this kit was amazing. I hope that if you have questions, you'll write them in the comments, because I'm always happy to answer them for you. And what is your favorite part about the kit? I would love to know in the comments below. So I hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas season. I know that Black Friday is coming up, so happy shopping. And don't forget to use that coupon code, and I'll definitely put it in the comments. Have a great day now. We'll talk to you soon. Goodbye.